Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the Havie lamp, which they call an all-in-one sleep sanctuary. Sounds dreamy, right? It promises ambient lighting with 18 color modes, soothing white noise, and Bluetooth audio. Basically, it is trying to be your perfect bedtime companion, or at least a very expensive nightlight that won't judge your late-night snacking. But is it really as amazing as it looks? Or is it just another cleverly marketed plastic brick? Let's find out if this sanctuary is actually a scam tory. The Havie Lamp website proudly displays logos from heavy hitters like CNN, Pottery Barn, and Architectural Digest. That sounds super impressive until you realize there is not a single link or shred of proof for these mentions anywhere. No articles, no press releases, absolutely nothing. Honestly, if a brand cannot back up claims this big, it is a massive red flag. I'm sure CNN is just dying to cover a desk lamp. But if they are lying about being famous, they are probably lying about the quality too. Next up is the marketing, which is basically a digital scream for attention. The site is plastered with buzzwords and sales banners offering 40% off or a mystery lamp if you buy two. Because nothing says high-end luxury like a surprise gift, they probably couldn't sell to anyone else. They even throw in a free 5-year extended warranty, which sounds great until you realize the company might not even last 5 weeks. It feels less like a genuine offer and more like a pushy salesman who won't let you leave the car lot. At first glance, their contact details look standard, but things get weird when you look at the address. It turns out their physical location was actually copied and pasted from another website entirely. Nothing builds customer confidence quite like a company that doesn't actually know where it lives. Then there is the product description, filled with phrases like nightly reset button and passive base radiator. It is a lot of fancy technical jargon used to impress people who just want a light that doesn't flicker. Now for the biggest red flag of all, the reviews. The site is glowing with 5-star praise, but there is a slight problem with the laws of physics. Some reviews are dated March 2025, even though the website domain was not even registered until September of that same year. I did not realize buying a lamp gave you the power to travel back in time, but that is a pretty neat feature for $60. Outside of their own site, the product is a total ghost with no mentions on Reddit or Trustpilot. So, is the Havie lamp legit? With fake media mentions, a stolen address, and reviews from the future, it is incredibly hard to trust this brand right now. Until there is more transparency and some feedback from people who actually exist in this timeline, it is probably best to be cautious. Thanks for joining us for this truth check. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Stay smart, stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.